Hi guys, what I'm going to show you how to do today is fold a template for your Islamic geometric tile. So what I've got here is a paper that's ripped out of my art journal, and I'm just going to show you how to fold the square. So what you want to do is choose the corner that has sharp edges, and we're going to fold a triangle. What we want to do is make our square as big as possible, and we're trying to make a square. So what I'm doing here is just folding my triangle in half here, and see this line here? I'm going to cut along that, and that will make a square for me. So I'll just grab my scissors and then we'll cut along that, and then we'll have our square. So just going to cut along the triangle to make our square. And there we have, as accurate as we can, a square. So now what I'm going to do is actually start setting up my template. So I've got my triangle folded in half here. I'm going to fold it in half over here as well. And I open that up. I'm going to fold my square in half. So right now what we're doing is we're making all these folds so we have these lines, so you can follow the example that I've set you. And I'm going to fold it in half again. When I open it up, you're going to see we've got 4 little squares here and the diagonals there. Now we're also going to fold the paper in half here. I'll have to do that 4 times. You can fold the paper in half here. See the middle line? This looks a little bit uneven, but we're doing the best we can. I'll open that out. And then I'm going to fold that in half here. Fold that in half here. So I feel like, so now we have here, if you can see the lines, I should fold them a little bit more. So if you can't really see the lines, we can just press down harder so we can see the lines for your template. The middle one's not as clear. There. So you should have 4 little squares like this in your template, and that can start you on. So you start off with 1 square here for your template in the example that I've given you to try to make your tile, but here's our template. From there guys, you can start working. Thanks.